Hi, I'm Dr. Fauley. This is Care Animal Clinic, and I just kind of wanted to introduce you to some of the things that we do here and how long we've been here and so forth. I graduated from the University of Illinois in 1988. I worked for about 8 years at Chicago area veterinary clinics, a few of them, and then in 1996 we opened up Care Animal Clinic here in Naperville. It's been here, well, since 1996. We see dogs and cats. It's a neighborhood veterinary clinic. I live about 6 miles away, so I'm right here in the neighborhood of people and the clients that I see, so I get to know them just in our day-to-day activities outside of the clinic too. So it's nice to be able to see to be involved with the people that I actually see here in the neighborhood type of a way also. So what we do here is we like to have, we introduce ourselves to the new people moving in, the new clients moving in, with new pets. We're associated with the Fox Valley Animal Welfare League. When the animals are adopted, we're one of the choices that they come for a new patient exam. And we'll do that with Fox Valley people as well as new clients that come in. We'll be happy to take a look, make recommendations, get you set up on a vaccination schedule. We'll talk about fixing. We go over all the types of things. The things that people are interested in at the beginning are things like what do I feed my dog or my cat? How much should I feed? How big is it going to get? What's the vaccination schedule? Fecal testing and heartworm testing and all the types of things. There's so many different things that there's questions about and that people have need to know about, and those are the things that we like to take the time with, just so that they understand what's involved, expense-wise, and especially just as they're starting out. A lot of times people move into Naperville with an established, with a dog, and they've had everything already established somewhere else, but they're new in the area, and we just like to take a look at what's been done and kind of move along and keep things kind of on schedule for them. So we like to do, here we emphasize things like wellness exams. We like to do things ahead of time as opposed to waiting till there's a problem. Teeth are one of the things that we like to make sure that there isn't something that catches people by surprise, that we address it before it becomes an issue. We do video endoscopy here. Now, an endoscope is one of the biggest problems with pets is they come in and they're vomiting, and people don't know, why is my dog throwing up? It doesn't have an appetite. You used to not know what's going on, especially inside the stomach, without actually having to do some sort of a surgery. Now we're able to anesthetize them and just put a scope down. It's called an endoscope, and we're able to see what's inside the stomach without ever even having to do any surgery. And a lot of times we're able to retrieve those things if they've gotten in something that they shouldn't without doing surgery. So we like to do endoscopy. We'll do, like I said, dental x-ray units here. We have digital radiography here, which is a advanced form of obtaining x-rays. We have an in-house lab where we can do blood work, we can do white blood cell counts, we do urinalysis, we do fecal tests, and we have a fully stocked pharmacy also for the types of things that might be difficult to get. If they are really difficult to get, we'll script them or we'll find them for you at some sort of compounding pharmacy or something. So whatever you need, we'll track it down and get it get it taken care of. We have a full line of veterinary specialty diets too, more for conditions like renal disease or inflammatory bowel disease, or if you have heart disease, or all sorts of those types of things. So we have a fully stacked amount of prescription foods for various types of health conditions also. We like to look at fleas and coat conditions and all the typical things that we look at once a year for pets: ears, eyes, nose, heart, coat conditions, abdomen. That's just what we enjoy doing here, and we feel that the people like it. The pets, most of the time, they're very cooperative. Sometimes this is the last place they want to be, but that's just what you got to deal with. So we're happy to be here. This is what I like doing, and I wouldn't have chosen to do anything else.